Good morning, guys. Sunday the 26th. It's 7:30. Peyton and I are down here in the spot we sat yesterday again. We left our ground blind and came back in. So yesterday down in the spot we didn't really have any action. We had a few gobbling early morning, and then they shut right up. We had some rain coming at 9 and we just got poured on. We kind of stuck it out for a couple hours in the rain with no luck, and we finally got out of here. But anyways, we're out here again this morning. It's been pretty quiet. It's a little bit colder too. As you can see, we're kind of bundled up. It's supposed to warm up today. We're gonna hunker in here a little bit and see what happens. We've done a little bit of calling, and then if we don't have much action, we're gonna kind of bounce around down here a little bit and then figure out what we want to do. So morning, guys. Monday morning, the 27th, day 3 for Peyton. We're gonna do a quick interview now. We've got a ton of birds right here gobbling. We got the hens yelping, and we just got a bunch of birds right here along this little valley, all up in these oaks. Easily within 100 yards. They're right on top of us, and hopefully they come right in here. Awesome morning. We'll see what happens. Well, guys, just a quick update. We're on the move. Man, it's been a crazy morning. We were right on top of those turkeys. They flew down away from us into the hardwoods here. Wanted nothing to do with coming out in that field, so we decided to make a move on them, slipping through these woods, and we actually caught a glimpse of a couple hens over here working through this hardwoods towards the swamp. So I think we're gonna run out of room here before they're in the swamp. But it was a crazy morning, wasn't it? They were gobbling, and the hens were going crazy, and it was definitely pretty sweet. We're kind of slipping through here and checking it out. Never been back here, so it's pretty sweet. We know right where these turkeys went, so we're gonna mark it on the map and might slip in here another morning.
Okay, guys, so we're just popping around, and we got into this like pine tree area, and we called, and we heard a hen call back, and so we got in position, but she gained on us too fast and we weren't ready, and she saw us and she flew away. So yeah. Yep. The hen.
Both of them are toms. Big old beards on them. What's going on out here today, guys?
Nothing.
We've been getting our butts whooped.
Yeah, by turkeys.
Yeah.
Didn't shoot anything, didn't see anything.
Yep.
Just walked around waiting.
We saw a hen.
Yeah,
We saw a couple
head
hens.
fly away.
Yeah. They busted us.
Yep.
Saw dad moving. And yeah. Said wild gobbles at night.
In the morning.
Yep.
Yeah.
But not in the later day.
Yeah, but then didn't come in, then would stay in the woods. And
yeah.
let's walk around some couple fields and try to call them in, but nothing. And yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Cool. Well, now we're gonna do some driving around, try to find something,
Yep.
and then
Yep.
head home
Yep. And eat dinner.
and eat some dinner.
Yep. What's having
All right, guys, thumbs up. We're gonna stick at it.